Here's the before. Me, just woke up, looking a little crusty to be honest. And we're gonna be turning me into... Around this time last year, Warner Brothers invited me out to Toronto to go to the set of the movie Shazam and be a featured extra. Yeah, I was in a movie. I got to talk to the actors and directors and producers and learn about it. Overall, it was an amazing experience. Little inside scoop here. We shot the thing from like midnight to 2 a.m. in -degree weather of some sort in Canada. It was so cold. It's 2:30 in the morning. Just got back to the hotel. Just got done shooting. So fast forward a year later to now. The movie's coming out on April 5th and the premiere is this week in Los Angeles. And they invited me to it. Movie premieres are a big deal. They're so cool. Who hasn't dreamed of going to a movie premiere? So I'm trying to look as best as I can for this premiere. Get red carpet ready. I don't know if I'm going on the red carpet. Probably not. Why would I? I'd walk on the red carpet. They'd be like, who is she? So today I'm gonna get ready for this movie premiere, looking picture perfect as if I'm a Hollywood movie star. Let's get into it. Just hopped out of the shower and the first thing that I'm going to be doing is self-tanning. The reason I like to self-tan is not to just look tan, but it does other things. Like when your skin looks a little more tan, your hair looks blonder and brighter. Also, your teeth look whiter. Those are two nice benefits to a self-tan. Also, it just kind of makes your skin look glowy. So I'm just going to do that. I just use my hands. I'm planning on wearing a strapless dress as well. I think. I actually don't have a dress yet. I'm gonna look today. Just going to make sure to get all of this area super evenly. Everyone's biggest fear is obviously any sort of self-tan getting streaky. And the key to making sure this doesn't happen is to, after you apply it, just apply a lotion over it. This acts as like blending it all in. Celebrities take extremely good care of their skin. So I'm gonna do a DIY bougie skincare. I actually have a bunch of really expensive skincare samples that I got from buying something once. Smells really nice. Can you overdo skincare? I feel like I'm overdoing it. Lastly, I was sent one of these like rollers. They're all the rage. I don't know if it actually does anything. You're just supposed to like roll it on your face. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. I didn't Google anything. I'm just kind of rolling it on my face. Get this area. You want to get a nice strong jawline. And then that's it for skincare. Now I am on my way to get my hair blown out. I thought, you know, I could do all this myself, but I've done that before. It turns out okay. I thought it'd be fun to actually have professionals do my hair and makeup this time though, because actual celebrities that actually deserve to go to movie premieres, they have a whole glam squad doing stuff for them. So I thought it'd be fun to see like the difference in my appearance having professionals do my hair and makeup and all that stuff. So just got my blowout. Now I'm stopping at the mall across the street because I still don't have anything to wear. So there's a dress that I've had my eye on. So gonna see if it, hopefully I'm really counting on the fact that I think I'll like it. So hopefully it looks good on me. I have two options that I will show you guys after I get my makeup done. Now time for the makeup with the amazing Emily. Okay, so we actually met in LA. She did my makeup for one other like big event that I went to, and it was the Grammys. And that was really my first time getting professional makeup, and it just was amazing. I looked in the mirror and was like, who is she? So today she's gonna do a really fun red carpet makeup for me. You've done like a lot of red carpet.
Yeah, I was really lucky when I moved to LA. I kind of fell into the red carpet celebrity crowd. I just love glamming people, and
It's so fun.
it's really fun. And you know I love a gold shimmer eye.
Yes.
So that's really what I want to focus on with you today.
Time for the brows.
Brow time, brow time.
So important.
Frames the whole face.
I've actually noticed like I'll get my eyelashes done and I'll get my eyebrows done, and you'd think the eyelashes would make you feel more like a new human.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's always the eyebrows that do it.
Literally. I have not had my eyebrows done in like a year.
Really?
Yes. Where are you going? I need to go.
Okay, I get my eyebrows threaded.
Yes, that's the way to do it.
Yeah, they do. They're so much more precise. We are getting advanced here. This is advanced, people.
Yes, we are. People think that we're all one color. Our faces are multi-toned, and so to make it look a little more natural, you want to always have a multi-tone situation going on.
I didn't even ever think about that.
Yeah. See, a lot of times we mistake like dehydrated skin for wrinkles, or like lips that were like, oh my gosh, my lips are so small. It's like, well, girl, you're just thirsty. Like, and not that kind.
Drink some water.
Yeah, just drink some water.
I'm so bad at drinking water.
Ugh, I've been horrible at it. Like,
My boyfriend actually always makes fun of me because
Really?
I'll bring water to bed every night, and then in the morning he's like, yep, you didn't drink any of it.
the sky. So this is just a little bit of pretty shadow that has a little bit of a sparkle to it. And it's a little bit darker, so it gives a non-closed, like, smoky eye, you know what I mean? So let me see that. Yeah, that's pretty.
I can only see in the LCD screen, but it's like insane.
It's a huge difference.
It's like Shazam!
Shazam!
I love the main character.
Oh, good!
Zachary Levi. Big reveal.
Yeah,
here we
big
go.
reveal.
Oh my gosh. Like, you always do this. Well, there's only one other time, but I'm like, how it's so perfect.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my gosh. I absolutely love the under eye. Such a good job.
You're so
Thank
cute.
you.
Always.
Okay, there we have it. Now, on to the final step, the outfit. And I have two options for you guys, so here we go. So I got two different options, and I want your guys' help on what I should wear to the premiere. So comment below which you like better for this occasion. First, I got this dress that I had been eyeing on the website, and it's basically just a strapless black dress. It's really nice, and it has this little slit in the back, which makes it really, really classy and dressed up. I think it's beautiful. This dress makes me feel like a freaking movie star. The only problem is I'm not a movie star. I'm just a featured extra in this film, and I think for the occasion, it might be a little overdressed. Oh, but I love this dress so much. Option number two is not as fancy as option number one. As you can see, it is this beautiful gold silk cami and these super versatile black cropped pants. So the invite did say dressing for the occasion was business, so I feel this option is more appropriate for the premiere, whereas the other option is a lot more like cocktail attire. I personally do like option number two better just because I'm super comfortable in this clothing, and my favorite part is I feel like this gold top makes me feel less like a movie star and more like a superhero like Shazam. I know that sounds so cheesy, but once I saw this top, I knew it would be perfect for this premiere. The colors of his costume are red and gold, and I love that it symbolizes the movie. So I love option number two, but you guys let me know in the comments which you like better, and that'll help me decide what to actually wear the day of the premiere. Good morning. I'm at the airport as usual. I'm really excited for today. It's gonna be a really fun day, so let's go. View. Got some Hollywood Hills. The premiere's gonna be over there later. All right, guys, we just got to Hollywood. Here is the final look. I got my hair blow dried, I did my makeup, everything. Super excited about it. Shazam! We're at the premiere. It's so cool. We just walked on the red carpet, which is really fun. And check it out. There's a Ferris wheel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you to Warner Brothers for inviting me to be a part of this movie, Shazam. I'll have the trailer for Shazam linked below if you guys haven't seen it. It's about a boy named Billy Batson who says the word Shazam and he turns into a superhero. So it's a superhero movie, but he's like a kid at heart. So it looks like it's gonna be such a fun movie. You guys should definitely watch it, you know, so you can see me in it. I mean, honestly, you gotta look really, really closely. But if you're interested, I'm wearing a pink coat and I have my phone and I'm super excited taking a photo of Shazam. That is my 2 seconds of fame in my life, and now we can go back to being normal again. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.